Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a kind of, I suppose you could call it a nail hack video. For those of you that has read the title or seen the thumbnail, you will see that I'm going to show you how anyone can do freehand. Now this hasn't even just got to be nail related. Obviously I'm doing it on a nail because this is a nail channel. But this can work for pretty much anything. It can work for crafts. It can work for children doing homework. It hasn't got to be nail related. So yeah, I think this is going to be a really cool little hack. Because there's a lot of people out there that want to do freehand nail art. But they tend to talk themselves out of doing it because they can't draw or they can't paint. So if you are one of those people that tends to steer away from doing freehand nail art, then this is going to be the video for you. Now, to start with, you don't actually need a phone or a tablet because you can also use pictures as well, but I'm going to be using a phone. So I've already got these images ready. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. I'm going to see, they're pretty much the same anyway, but that's just got a little bit more colour and stuff on it. But other than that, they are pretty much identical. I've already sized them up, so they're going to be the perfect size. Oh, look at the state of my glove, guys. Look at the state of this. These nails have ruined 3 different... Oh, look, it's even coming through there as well. Yeah, these nails have ruined 3 gloves already. So I'm not about to change them now and ruin another glove. So yeah, that's what I was showing you. I've already made sure this is the perfect size. So yeah, they're already sized up, ready to go. So what I do is, I've got some, it's not tracing paper. I did have some tracing paper and I can't find it. So I've just found a really thin bit of paper, the thinnest paper what I could find. Pop that over there like that. And I'm just going to trace that image. Now I'm struggling to see that, guys, because of my recording lights above. Let me have a little go. I think I'm going to have to trace this bit off camera. Yeah, no, I'm going to have to do that without these lights on, guys. I wonder if I can turn these off now. Right, guys, we finally got there. Let me get rid of all this. Right, so there we are, guys. That is the picture traced. The detail doesn't have to be too great. As long as if you've got the basic outline and the basic shapes, then you're good to go. So I've cut that out ready. That is going to fit on there. Perfect, like that. Yeah, perfect size. Now, what we're going to do is, I'm just going to quickly give this a coat of Varnail's Rubber Pink, colour number 14. Put that in the lamp to cure. Right, so I just gave that a second coat off camera. Now I'm going to give that a matte top coat. I haven't got the Varnail matte top coat, so I'm going to have to use a different brand. Also, guys, if you don't have a matte top coat, you can apply the shiny top coat, cure it, and then give it a buff. That'll give you the perfect effect what you need. Give that a cure. Right, so that is all matted out. I love that colour in matte. So that's ready now to get a Minnie Mouse on. Now, I quickly want to tell you as well, so this image, it doesn't matter which way round it goes on the nail, but some images are going to have to go a certain way around. I can't even think of one right now. Yeah, I really can't even think of one right now. But if it has to be facing this way upwards, you can then retrace the image on the back, go back over them lines, and then flip it over, and then attach it to the nail that way, yeah? But because this Minnie Mouse, it doesn't matter which way round I do it, I can just flip that on the nail like that. See where I want to put it. I want it about there, I think. Then you want to hold that nice and tight to the nail like that. And then, oh yeah, you can just draw back over the lines if you want, but it's so much easier to just go like this. Just like that. Who's ready to see the magic? Look at that. And there you have your outline for your Minnie Mouse. Now obviously it doesn't look very neat, but it doesn't have to look neat because obviously you're going to be painting over that anyway. All you need is the outline. And that is what you have. You have the outline. Guys, that is so easy, is it not? Really, really easy. So, should we get painting her now? Oh, I've made a real mess of that now, look. I've ripped the whole thing off. Blooming heck. These tips are proper jamming my gloves up. So, I'm just going to get all my colours out and then we'll get painting her. So normally, if I was freehand painting this, I would colour the face in first. But because I've got this pencil down on here, when I've done that before and I've gone to paint the face in with the like creamy colour, it's smudged that pencil and made it look really dirty. So I'm going to go in with all the black outline first today. So I'm using the Varnail black stamping gel. This is great for doing artwork with. It's super pigmented. These pots as well, they are beautiful, aren't they? And another thing, guys, any of yous that find freehand nail art really daunting, the best way to look at images is looking at them as shapes. And I just find it makes it so much less daunting. For example, like the ears on the Minnie Mouse, look at them as circles. For the nose, look at it as an oval. The eyes, look at it as an oval. The bow, look at them as triangles. And I just find it looks so much less complicated. Now I'm just going to fill in the whites of the eyes using the Varnail white stamping gel. Right, so now that's all fully cured, I can give that a wipe over with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. And that is going to get rid of any of the pencil. So now when I go to paint the face, that pencil's not going to smudge because it's all gone. Oh, look at her already. She's looking cool. Right, for the face, I think I'm going to use this Varnail liner gel. Not because it's a liner gel, just because I think it's going to be the perfect colour. So it's colour GA20 Almond Butter. And I'm hoping this is going to be the perfect colour. So all I'm going to do is, I'm just going to just pop little blobs on here and there.
Giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you, this feels right.
Right, that's as much as I could do with the liner brush. Them liner brushes are nice thin brushes, but wasn't going to be nowhere near thin enough to do these little bits.
So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
Right, we're going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Right guys, so that's all painted. All I've got left to do is the eyeballs, but I like to do that last. Just makes it come to life. And also the bow, but the bow is going to match the other nails, so I think I'm going to be using a foil on that. So I'm going to leave the bow until the end of the design. Oh, and also the top as well. I'm not too sure what colour I want to do the top yet either. I think I'm going to wait and see what the other nails look like first and then decide at the end. So there is a couple of little bits left to do on this one, but that is going to be the end of this video, because today's video was more about showing you how to do that freehand hack. All the Varnail products that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. I have got a 25% off discount code for Varnail, which is GG30. I shall leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the website. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.